Edo ya wabedene. Edo ya wabedene o. Edo ni rowa kebedo ni risi. Edo ni ruhu otagun ya. Ipe akebe ko. Awira ke wabi gbama wa ya fe wabedene. Wabe owie, wabe avan. Wabe ota. Wabe ebe nege ka ebe bo kebo ni wari gaje. Igbo kan wahia o obese egogima ma wi awe ogima na jo ege ibude aye na o ege ibude aye na o ibude oge ogi o musa ege ibude aye na o waya vere o wa mukunu wa tie mare o wa mukuna no wa tie mare o ti egbere wati erare wati yere wati tenre ya do tota pepepe nada eho ibude ogi ohun sa e wa no yere wa bokia o otunare ma sayame sewi obokia o we la gesan ogi san owi ekpen no wa ma ya nika ya woko we an lare obisege o ego pana don uzola ma ya we ibude na o ibude ore do ya je na oja ri run jo sa ore asun o no nya ma sade na wa Usalo balon kede ne. Wesu runda ba wa mo ya ye. Kikwa ke bi ko wake wo de wo nyame hia. Bare o ba do to ge do. Na ibude no. Ibudo go gi ohun sada ye na ma o ge do. Igba ma o no wa o na me yara ki awa gbon. Mami na ra wan. Ibudo ge de na sada da wa ma ho ra marion ma ya ti ye. Maya lo ya yin edagbo wa yin mo ri ma make na yin ogba ma na do aro ma yo salobwa oji ma de odi ekebe bi kebi agbon ru lekia salobwa no godwa edo ori ma ege lesi ma ya o uri enwa ni ma ri yen ni ma fiambuga ma na fiambe ebude na re de ne ibi edo don ri ejegbe we a ba na we ejegbe we ma wonya de wonya mi ya fe aga akpon wo ki ataga aro wo ki o de debende isa waya we isa o isa waya no ere wa bokian o obere na o go ti ba Kingsley Obiasuki obokian o obere na go ti ba Chris Amadin obokian o wa ti e bo ni ka ere o ari en ke kan ye mu dai ma wate wodika iru wate babati yere tetenre na dogi bude no aite sudoni aye we nokpo don gbera na mana mo iwin na oga Bishop Tibinaga wa ministry na mo egbo ma mo egbo na mana be adie ma mana do tabon wa we no wa ya fe yo boyo Nigeria na we wa ya fe ri boyo no wa ri go yo no wa ri e ma yo wa ri e erun yo we no move oge evi abu ma no bo ma so e na we na mo ya sigo koko na ya ri yo bo ni a evi ke bi no bo we gba e na we na sigo koko na ya ri yo bo ni a ari e Bishop to Nagawa ministry ekira na ndi go yo to oreba ewu na ni ma mu egbo o ko ki ana obodo o we ka bo wa na no we bu na ri yo boyo wa ayan we no ri yo wa re na ri yo bo na munda we o ma o te no o se no o bi e bo no gwa li yo bo kate yo bo ge na o be de agbe inwe na ma wa yan ge bi inwe na ge olegele no we do be no Nigeria ibi man bu Yesu ku ya ma mi wona mana ewe no man magbali o na ya ri yobo ni ahe e mana mu ewe ni gbo rupo na gbe ya do abi go yo na ya agbale ya ri yobo ni ma no ewe na ni maso na odupo wa no ma eri go yo wa yiberi go yo maso na odupo ukie ene gbalaka ma ya yobo na ema iku ikpea kebiku na me yobo na me nwina mana do ri ya ari ka na we ya nwina ya na ga arun iweva mana ha sa yo ni ama ya nwina da de nwina da do gwa lo no hu da do na gbe ni yoto iso na wi aho ni awo eto iso na wi aho ni Africa iso na wi aho ni awe irakwe iso na wi aho ni awe oyi no wi ni ati fragrance perfume gele iso na wi agbeto that do go eso na we amugbo gile ana do ha sa yo ana do ma ai na ma ai dan mana do ri de yo to na ya ri yo bo ni a nda yo bo ba ma ri de ma yo bo ni ta ri ni a pe ti sa do bo no do ta zi Ma na we ni aka na ya agwale wu na eri o ima aka ewu ma wu na ma we ri yobo ni na ya awe ewu na ni awe ni eri mangele we ipede yin na ya gi uki oge July so gi no gi yan pona yan na gbebu we do ari yo na gbebu we na sikoko ana gi do ri yobo ni abi na kai that day my even that day we ma do tell me na ya we mi ni even na ya we emi ke mi ni awe e wa no fie ka ba na do tell me na ya fie ka agbada alubara iga gaga o fi ugbon sawe na ya fie ka ana bionia no be we to emi na ya we to ana de lo ana bionia no be we oyi kebe oyi no wi cosmetics la fida perfume mana we dele na ya we ana bionia no be we ibakwe no be we na we bakwe mana we dele na ya we bakwe mana bionia no be amu ugbegile no make it we akia no be ya afia mana we dele na ya mu ugbegile ni mana we dele bionia be dio ederi oni ye man ni yobo na we na ga ya ehin ari ehin ise ene ba ehin ya no ke ya mari ma no se ya manaru ya we vate no ana bionia ni ya idu ekiobi we ni ado ama we ni arigo gima o wa ye o ma we ya ado ki na arigo gima o igo da wa ya dele mi ni ya fe ta be mo ni amomo ni abi do ha sa e were gbe o awa we ogo he ni ya we na oge de gbe ya ni ya ri yobo na gbe ya ni abi ami ba ya egbo ni ki yo sa lo banu dazi ise wa ya we ise o ise ebi na no sa ba we na wo no eri ma ya wa we kia so do ni do we ho no ri yobo yo do be de obesu woke obesu we uteko no ri yobo yo emi na kana o move na we wa ri ba no po adake mo la dia o ti awan ka wan ka ti kai ma dege wa ri ba o ya ri go yo e bo ma ri go yo o si e ma na do mu la de no ri go yo me ya nyo we da do mi we ma no ri go yo ba no nya mu na ma no nya mi na o ri go yo ki me ke be egbe menso ma be ri go yo de ha be do mu la de ma no ri go yo na so egbe na igba ba wo po ma he ya iye mi we e ma no we mi e ma mama e ma ye mi we ya egbe na we oki opa oki no gbera na ba ya we ku e ke mi po na te December oki mi po e give no baba na ni ama we su ama e ma e mi na e ma na we wi agwali yobo e bi ke bi ni ai wi am e o ni awu de to da men no de to da gbe no de e ba ku e no de oyi no de ekarafia no de dodo dafia no de ekabo ya oni awo de ugbogile no de ugbonya no ebi kevi de don adaga yi o no we manya hasad ni ya ekana wo manya hasad ni anya mai ya ga mai na ukemi po e ma ibe de ori yobo ni na do tele mi fi oni egbe na ka wo dakia wa ti ka wa ma ho edo iyobore ama ya ti du onu ri yobo yo do ri yo du ma be onu ri yobo yo be ma sa bo ga we du sa lo ba nu da si do yagbon ki be ni o ga we o sa lo ba no yan to yan kun o ga we o sa lo ba no yan fe yan go to ga we o sa lo ba no me ti ya to ga we wa ya we is edi odon ewu no sa lo ba no e de e ku elu e pe fun ria e ku lo ewu no sa lo ba Ni onita mwa na we de we mwa no ka kida di yubo na o to no o se we no o bi ebu we no o ria no no na di yubo na me wina no la dia primary school me wina la dia secondary school me wina e so be university me wina we ho na di yubo na we go gelegwa di yubo e we go gelegwa di yubo we ma we yo gelegwa di yubo ono gelegwa di yubo ba di yubo na o e wa na tegbe mu na gwa di yubo e wa na di mi da o fi o khion o di go fi epo e gbo ni wọ́n dọ́ ni wàá mẹ́gbẹ́ màá wẹ́rì ọ́ wọ́n dọ́ rèé gẹ́gẹ́ náà rèé dó di àyà ní ẹ̀yà bá òtù ní kẹ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ dó ẹ̀dá náà wẹ̀ Amẹ́ríkà UK ẹ̀yà bá ẹ̀yà ní kẹ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ dó Bishop Stephen Agawa ministry ọ̀gá náà rèé bá nà di àmì rèé bá nà yíyá nà òwìbí náà yà fẹ́ di mà nẹ́rọ wa. Reverend Dr. Obon Amadasu. Reverend Dr. Obon Amadasu. Bon yoto. Yourself oku yama ye photo. Reverend Dr. Obon Amadasu. Begaya. Yon makpari ma yo wodo wetu wodo. Ula bae da kyo. Oku na ya gwegwan. 234 only oge Nigeria. 802 335 2214. Barito. Even well than you, but now, Utie, Ukabaya, have even a valuable out of Via by. Although come and work at one of Via by, so si man or red do, Useloye. So si man will do, or else from Uselu. Ivan Yana Yavaya, I will do by your salubabi. That cannot do you, but now, can I would you, but now. Oh yeah, better ya. Even on you like giga. Ne gwali yo bo, ne o yo bomu. Et yo ma we yo gima. Ma gwali down me, wan pa do down me ma. O da ba ge di angele we mi. I ma ka ma ri yo bo, ma be ma ta di ma we. E da bata. To pa e ma ne o don yo bo ne gbe. E gi ma we yo re. Ma we mi na Miami aberi ye mi ni na ya we mi aberi ni a e ya be we mi se ke ba pa oyan yan e da agbe gbogbo eyan won ya pa Africa de kafia e yo don e da agbe gbogbo eyan ya we to e ma we wo ni na to pa mi na ya we ma ivio na oni ye ma we wa ge o wa gbon o Reverend Dr. Muhammad Asu e no wa na o dian we o adusu no ma mebe oku ani ki o arere gyo ba be yo no wa me wa gege wa odon bu e ga ke o ya so nga mai bi mi na o ni arere ya we o ke bi po ya be yo bonia a be dele mi bi onia we gyo ku we be ga ro wana adi yo bona ke bi po so aba no ge se ni ma ya o Baba don't get said my how is Ibude Ibudoge Ogyo Hansa. You know. Well, that's to today is our day for pastoral counseling. Unika tabang Edoyata Emauni Yebota. Egmaoni yebuta runda abe bana wela di yoboda ya hedo wani vere bana dai hoven no we di yobo inu salobo wa o heke na kadi yobona maoni yebuta gani today's counseling the topic is procrastination. That's the topic for today. Procrastination. We know that many people are procrastinators. Many people have the problem of procrastination. So we brought it up today for counseling so that we will see people who have that problem. They can learn to not to procrastinate. Procrastination, today's topic. Even Magwanya be Budoga dene. Ibudi Oge dene. Edo. Oye. Ilade. Budoga dene. Oye. Ilade. Wagu ma ihe duni de. Oye, Bobby Ilade. Wami eba. Mamia wa water gbona. Ebi kevin da doge wu. Yeah, wọ́n sọ fún ọlọ́gùn wọn kẹ́ ìlàdẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ aládẹ̀ yé mi ọ̀rọ̀ aládẹ̀ yọ èmi ní ẹ̀mú yẹn ká aládẹ̀ yọ ó sọ̀nà ayáwó ẹ̀wẹ̀ ó ìlàdẹ̀ yọ ọlọ́gùn wọn náà kọ́kọ́ náà wé kí ní ma sọ ẹ̀yìn máa gbọ́n ká ibùdó ni màá rí rẹ̀ dín náà ìlàdẹ̀ dẹ̀rẹ̀. Eke mara mi bude. Bebe o salobwa. Ore be fusion so won ise o vie enero. Ibudogo e mo salobwa ore be fusion so won ise o vie enero. Our counseling today, we have a biblical reference. The Bible has the word of counseling. And it is found in Ephesians chapter 5, verse 16. Zebe obudogo gohe. Emo salubwa mayawi bude na wa. Pastoral counseling is based on the Bible, the Word of God. So today, the reference is Ephesians 5:16. I'm going to read it now. I'll read it in English, I'll read it in Edo. The Word of God. Listen to the Word of God. 15 and 16. See then that you walk circumspectly, not as fools, but as wise, redeeming the time, because the days are evil. Redeeming the time, because the days are evil. When I read the future, when he said, Uvien kesugie as uvien enarabuke. Uvien vakano. Owe. Zaverio. Wagimakia zai. Muotabon. Wagagimakia. Ima pesu no ma emiropa. Tukpa wagimari ewanyu. Ni maga mwenge. Na ya webi runda. Ege na yena. Ugangi no. Egi man. Who don't the Wagimaka zai? Wagimaki away, you might pursue no my Europa. So, Palm, my aunt, when Maria, when you. Nimara Mwenge, Jaya with me. Who died and I yena? Egi Mao, ever no caye. Ever who's a little a do. They won't salute bottom. It was a little bit. You know, Salubwa. I mean, when I Maya would there now, if you are bedding out, you love Mario. You went on road in my annual that one. You need Jesus Christ. Manyama, you said. We have read the Word of God. The topic for today is procrastination. Procrastination is to delay doing something until a later date, a later time. Procrastination is to delay doing something until a later time. It's a problem for many people. When something is to be done, you won't do it, you'll put it aside until a later time or until another day. Whereas you have the time to do it, though. You have the power to do it, though. You have the energy to do it. It would be better if you did it now But you will say, no, I'll put it up to you another time, another day. It becomes a problem for many people. And people lose by it. That is why we are counseling on procrastination today. What is procrastination? It is putting aside something that needs to be done until a later day. Show it to your son. Show this to your daughter. Show this to your children, to your wife, to your husband, so that they will learn. They will learn not to procrastinate. It's a problem for the world. It's a problem for students in universities and in colleges and in schools. They have homework. They have projects. They have internship. They have term paper. They have thesis. They have dissertation. There is time for everything. There is time that these papers have to be written and submitted. But sometimes people don't do them because they procrastinate. They procrastinate until it is too late. Until the paper is due. Until the exam is due. Until the work is due. Then they begin to run. Helter-skelter, helter-skelter, ha 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 ha. Trying to make up for the time lost. That is procrastination. It is not good. But people get the habit. Show this to your children. Take a photo of it and show it to your children. And teach them the lesson concerning procrastination. In Magwanya now in Taiban. Magwanya now Eli there. Eli there. What Eli there? Eli there. Oh, Nagasie. Ebagaru. Ge Udao. Eli there. Oh, Nagasie. Ebagaru. Ge Udao. Eminagaru. I share Udao. Eminagaru. I make a gobi. If not so, Benagaru. I make a dobby. A dobby in a canning, a gobi in a canning, a man there about. There are a question again. I do a leg big. I do a rule. I do a good. Ma can go and better. Don't die again. I went away. I'm away. And I'm with you. Okay, go with my title. Okay, go when I'm out. I'm fucking go. If I have fair over Mona, if you have a go over again, Yahweh, come on, you should go. Come on, we now. Come on, dwek you. Come on, boo. Come on, bogo. Come on, winning without your bow. Come on, winning with the bell. If you have again, Yahweh. Again, Yahweh, any, a defio. A defio, say, bye, and I reckon. Again, I arrive, again, I arrive. Again, I had only your idea. Who am I, Baba? Who might you again? If I had not let Munwanu Begava no out, no, Humanity already, if I need the war. Okay, well, why I get here? We don't take the Indiaka with over. Who must say, when I live, I don't want maybe now, maybe I don't live near her. A team was free. Yeah. Mundagani and I let New York, the to do again, you are here, one lullaby. So we might have again, you get the war, we got you Samu. We got you Samu of you. You like there. Oh, and I'm even a how one may cut out. Even a boom or one on you. Yanni, Wibby, your college university. I'm a chebe. I'm a way down my ball. I'm a mammy ball. Again, the young body on here, you're not with the have your area. Well, money I can school the water. Every day, my when you have your backward. Okay, can you wear Botani? Here, my way Botani. Here, I'm Mexico now. And then I bear. Why me be castle? And then I bear and can only the other power. Okay, get to our way. You know, when I do that, that's a homework. Not here, never school on do that. Again, get to a buy a gimma or lipa or lipa. Kunda ege na yawe yamawe ega kutani okeke ni yawe yamawe o aiso webe o emune amami ya wa mawe se yamane re college yamane re university o mege be na mene o mege na yagbon esoro na gbokie ya esoro kie ha e da me be do da we do awu okeke are ya we na agme be ogedegu mure nugwalo to tebi mure eri okihi yonu yagbon wegere na wokihi yota ya we okihi yota o epe dudu e ka okihe o epe dudu ka okise ejelo de ki akia ukedo awe kwara ukedo awe be yo webere ukedo ani udo ano siwe de ke na mi na mi ya we ye na ka ade wagiye umio wala de yo ilade ewi ne ma no omwe ma ne bu ere oye ma ne bu de ude na makeke oye evi wie ma ne bu ilade ege we procrastination. Who is a procrastinator? Some of us are procrastinators, but we don't know. We don't know we are procrastinators. Yes, sir. Look at it. A procrastinator or procrastination is a person, a procrastinator is a person who habitually puts off doing things. Procrastinator is a person who habitually puts off doing something. Habitually. In other words, it has become a part of him. Whenever there is something to be done, he will not do it. He will put it off and say he will do it later. He said he will do it tomorrow or next week. But next week has something that needs to be done next week. Tomorrow has something for tomorrow. So when you put off from today what's supposed to be done today, you put it up to tomorrow, you are a procrastinator. Show it to your son. Show it to your children. A procrastinator is a person who habitually puts off doing something. Habitually means he always does it. It becomes a part of him. Whenever there is something to be done, he cannot get on it to do it right away. He puts it off for another time. Remember that other time that he is putting it off for? That time has something else also that needs to be done at that time. You see? Procrastinator. Don't be a procrastinator. Show it to your son. Show it to your daughter. Eli there. One on that day. On that day. Oh, on moon. Kevin. A double he. A gobble he. Book by ya. Oh, Yahweh. One on that day. Oh, one on when we Kevin. A gobble he. Book by ya. Only one magazine. What else? I would not wait. I will buy a day. Yeah, well. Era, come on, bomb and polo. Oh, ide Yahweh. I was expecting that with the big anyway. My polo, Yahweh. Yeah, come on, a monk when I'm papa. Oh, yes, mommy. Yakopani, yes, mommy. Obakari, oh, Ubia, But so if I can give it to Bena, my Yakopani, okay, look, power in our again, Yakopani, again, again, Yakopani, again, ya cheap. Although you again, I have to build the Yakopani, oh, we're swim, oh, we're swim, oh, we're swim. Again, I have upon road. Again, I wake up road. Again, I can't change road. Again, I can't bear Ekuru, Ogui, Evinaro, Ogwefio, Aya, you, they are Roy. Where are you, Mazep? Ute, as a pair was a Roy for them. I mean, oh, where I told no more. If we have a boy who was second down, Odo do ba go yobo. If we came no, I will get second down. I may go elu ga onu yawe. Obi ga yawo mesin yawo. E ma no wa we wi na na kiana. Omo emi ka ga obi hi, emi nke bi, omo ka ga obi hi. Ugbugbe ya. Odo gun ya gbe o. Odi do che, odo mania. Oh. Odo mania. Yeah, ga dey say we ko down. Aga ya wa no. Aga ya wa me won, aga ya dey ba ye. Again, why I pagbe we are pagbe. Again, why I had here so we are yo. Okay, so I had again, yeah, I can't say the Yakia. Mabia. Oh, wow, we must obey. If Biaka had the agbon, Yana, I will not, Nakana. I went out with me, I ain't check without Uka Boka, my way out there. Well, I see me muko out. Right. Again, I have with me, I yawe. Watch this. Procrastination is a habit that can be changed. It is not a disease. Procrastination is a habit that can be changed. It is not a disease. See, procrastination is a habit. We learn it. We learn to procrastinate. We enter into it little by little and go deeper and deeper and deeper in it until you become a habitual procrastinator. It's not a disease. It is something we learn. And because it's something we learn, it's something that we can change. So if you are a procrastinator today, we are telling you to change. You see it? If you have the problem of procrastination, putting aside what is to be done, today we are telling you that it can be changed. It's a bad habit. You can change it. It can be changed. It is not a disease. Some people would like to make excuses. They like to make others think that it is a disease. They are sick. It's not true. They are not sick. It's not a disease. It's a habit that can be changed and needs to be changed. Eli there. Oh, no. Oh, I know it Eli there. Top man, go on. Top man, go on. Eli there. If not certain if you were here, I know. I hear me. Eli there. Oh, no. No man, go on. Now, certain if you were here, I know. I hear me. Eli there, no lad, who was? I don't know who I go. And I was all the go and go. I've go where all the go and go. I mean, you came in, I went out and I let the I let the oh, I don't go and go. I don't care. I ain't anytime I would already right. Gotta go. Oh, Ladeyo. Again, I can't even go. If I say Ladeyo, I quay our court. Yakwe, our court. Yakwe, will share our court. I don't know. I'm a royal. I'm a royal. I don't know. I'm married away. A good man, the big year. Or the moon, if I'm very by here. Oh, what's your hole? Or the you talk one. Second, I love your color. Way. Second, I love your color. Oh, la de yo, nda, ilade. Oh, ni eyin wasi. Miame. Emi na we agwe. O magon wani. Oh, no magon wano. Emi no magon wano. O ni na yu. Aye, eri ba awe o. O wa go ba gbe o. Emi esi o ga magima o. Ise. Emi dangi magima o. Ise. Emi no mogwe o magan. Oh! Emi no magwe o magan. To gwe bi esi na me we bi esi o magan. Egwe mi da. Ne mi da e magan wo. Procrastination is not laziness. No. Strong, active persons can procrastinate also. Yeah. Procrastination is not laziness. Some people, active people, they also procrastinate. Oh. When you are procrastinating, it doesn't mean you are lazy. You're developing a poor habit of addressing certain things. That doesn't mean you are lazy. So that's why some people, they become procrastinators because they know they are not lazy. They work hard, they are active. But when there is something to be done, they don't do it at the time. They put it off. Hello? There are some people who are strong and they are very active. But they do things they do it late. Everything they do is late. You see it? If they are planting in the farm, they don't plant on time. They plant late. If they are harvesting, they don't harvest on time. Some of the harvest will be wasted away in the farm. They go and harvest it late. Even the time they harvest it, people are already saying that they are late in harvesting. People will be talking about it. They won't do it at that time. They will say, yeah, they will do it. Oh, yes, they will do it. Oh, yeah, I hear you. Oh, yes, I know. Oh, yes, but they will not do it. So they may be strong, they may be active, but they procrastinate. You see, it's a bad thing. Iladenakana. Omadie magawani ole uleme. Ilade uleme. Emana wobo eso ya beze dia sie eho. Bugbenso. Ilade uleme. Omadie mawawa alade itole. Eyo bomu o. Ebaso don't go bo. No wa we mi. Ya beze dia si ho. Bien Bugbenso, yen be lade yemi. Yanga we. Do wana agin omegene ya dolo yi. Ailade yo ododo gbe agin ekide na agin ni ododo gbudu be. Amedo agbe wa rowa. Bege. They wu we na so urere se. We lade yo wa dolo yi wa dolo. Oh we yo. They too were they the lawyer. Oh, man. And I don't do ya, oh, the bigo. If I saw even a bugo, and a bugo. Again, I came in ya call. Again, I came in with I can do a call. Again, I may roll. I may what I was. Oh, so I may my say. Again, I call ye man call. Again, I go ye magua. I mean, always again, arrow, that's all we know. Never ate all, bo, every you go arrow if you call. Oh, we like that, yo. The hell? If I went arrow on you, all the Riado Kulu. Again, I yakunya, oh, my great boy, again, I more. A you way, bien way, why I go to Pogba. Mamma. Again, I have the point, Queen, I am a yo over the week. If I saw again, arrow, even oh, Harakwa, oh, Harakwa, but so I hear, oh, Harakwa, but so I Tamatogo, oh, Harakwa, but so I who, oh, what do you, I galley arena. I call you. Okani awo, or the woo, a yokoro. Oh, my God, I arrow even Nakana. Oh, no, like they even, no, gay. No, I really, Roy. Oh, what way, Bill. If no be call, all those I were cool over here. He like that, you know. I mean, I don't know what could feel you have. Open feel how we are, Yahweh, I can't. Yahweh, I think you don't hear that. I can't quit. I can't. I could every day. If I will not robo, lady, or you say here town. I couldn't even get out. And then you are feeling all the mere well, if feeling buzo or bohan or buffeto. I'm married to Dukia or a keke. Oh! I'm married to keep feeling, and I'm going to do a keke. Or there's a team of confuse. Oh, my king, don't get a king. Okay, we're not about time. Oh, why don't Gina Zo over get the added Zoe? What it is all the Biababeko. If you know. I say we go down. My minute, they are here. There are no wobo, no, I will say we go down, no one be angry or what it all. On the Maria, near Lee, on the Maria meet, I can, oh, no, what wobo. So, my even now, yes, go down. All right, do well. Again, the other way, not the West, and all the work be like me. Again, I'm going to hear when you're my way. Even if you get the shop, beggar. Do the catabon. There are different kinds of procrastination. Different kinds. There are some people who are good in performing. And because they are good in performing, they don't want to do anything at that time. They say they will do it. When the time comes, I know what to do. It's true, they know what to do, but they will postpone, and the time will pass. You see it? That's number one. Number two, there are some people who look at themselves as unable to do. They are able to do, but they look at themselves like they are unable to do. They give excuses. I'm not very strong. You know, I'm not a good runner. You know that I'm not a good talker. I don't talk so much. You know that I cannot memorize things so much. I'm not very brilliant. So they procrastinate. Instead of learning that thing little by little, they wouldn't learn it. There are others. They overbook themselves. They go and they go and say all the things that need to be done. They come and put it in one time. Then when they start to do, they see, you see, there are too many things to be done. Oh, how can I do this and do this at the same time? Therefore, they put it away. They are the one who overbook themselves. So, and there's another who believes he has the answer. He has a better way of doing something. Because of that, when the people are doing it, you just say, no, I don't have time to waste. I know how to do it. Don't waste my time. I know how to do it. They have the better time. They have the better answer. Because of that, they put it off. And when that better time comes, they don't have time to do it. They may know better than others, but they can't put away what they are doing so that they attend to certain things. They are procrastinating. They need to discover themselves that they are procrastinators. 4 kinds of people. Some will say they know how to do it. They can do it when the time comes. When the time comes, they do it, but they will be in a hurry and in distress, much stress to do it. There are others who look at themselves as unable to do anything. They give excuses. And they are old. They can't run. And they are going to do that thing later. That time they won't be old. They won't be too slow. But they won't do it at the right time. There are others who have too many things that they have put off for one time. And too many things cannot be done at the same time. Because of that, now they have to put it away. Because they overbook themselves. Some people, they know everything. When it's time to do it, they tell you they can do it. Nobody should teach them. Because of that, they put it away. They're going to do it. They may know. It may be true that they know. But the time they will do it, they have to be in a hurry. The thing will not be well done because they didn't do it at the right time. Even as you, I don't know. He said, I will not, Ilade, I will not know. I will not. Look how, I don't think Igwese. Again, I will be away. You don't be away. Sewa, way, Baba. Okay, Leon, again, Yasiva. You win Gweseva no for cool worker at the L. Then Yasiva, a hero. Igwese. Gwese, no, you imagine. Now you come with 30. Give him my time, Rebecca. Igwese. Oh, yeah, look, give her. Even Javier, we not do with you. Even your eye will. Oh, my, yes, setting way. Your man, setting roulette. Yamova Tale, where over you. Oh, I'll be here. I got too high. Even your eye will. To bring in the head, do you way? Oh, you're not a guy bad, Fury. Again, even in Latin of Fia. Look, Boga. Oh, let you. Again, I have you let you. Oh, what I'm the going on. Better not river. Gilly of Matthew. Even here. Better bike, but I couldn't bike, but I could have. Again, I have quite but we had away. Again, he and sworn an idea. No, so down. I have not bad idea. Ye don't kill you. A chimney, no, you do you have it? I'll get it. Or kill you in a pie. Yeah. Oh, you back. Look again. Oh, no answer. If an answer, yeah, I have with me. Yeah, we are. I mean, I have a video wedding. I will be here. Oh, yeah, me and my own. Hey, yeah, Baba. Where the mama, yeah, the I will hear me. We're getting out of our woman. Again, I do your game. You know, I might. You get out, so partly where a igba. That okirikiri egg, only anyone like that. Procrastination can be changed. If you have a habit of procrastination, it can be changed. Don't say, oh, well, you're used to this thing. That's the way I always do it. Oh, I'm not in a hurry. Oh, well, I don't go by other people's time. I have my own time. You are procrastinating. Because this is the right time to do it. You can change. 3 ways to change. You have to set a start time in anything you want to do. Set a time for starting to do it. You have to prioritize your things. And then you have to set a time when you will finish it. If you are a procrastinator, set a time to start to do that thing. Set a time, and when that time comes, go and do it. Look, the second thing, you have to prioritize. Know what to do first, and what to do second, what to do third, what to do last. And also set a deadline for yourself. If you set a deadline for yourself that this week is when I want to write this essay, so stick to it. Because Friday will come, and you want to make sure you have finished it on Friday. So 3 ways you can change your attitude of procrastination. Set a time to start. Prioritize what you do. And set a time to finish. As a thing fear, Omanga, Orilade with you. Omaga, Magon, Nayalade, as a thing fear with you. Udeha, I have fear with you. Look out. If you're quoting boy, if you're quoting boy, come a boy where even Anna, you're getting a swan. If you're quoting boy, they'll get, they'll give better, they'll go, if you know what I will, if you are swan. Or if you only are able to get back when you are swan. No, whatever. Who's in Waka Ubo, maybe if I'm going, you have going. Ways in Waka Ubo. Again, where as in Waka Ubo, the way I am where or so that being I have. Who's at him more like a Yabi? Oh, who's in Waka Ubo? Tag no, I have weful. Oh, what tag no, I have weful. Those who are now holding your weful, who trouble your wound, those are no high, who are weful. That they can, no, they don't hold your weful. Who are the time who are they can no good when I hoy, and they can even know about that they don't have weful. If ye Hannah, I think you fear, I'm more like the wood here. Who's second, why are swimming, no, I would know if you're holding boy. Who's the Nwaka Uwo, okay, don't kick you. When you man a video, who the other you who knew your weful. Well, I think the left, you want to like that. What's the thing feel like the wood here? If you don't change your attitude of procrastination, it can lead to certain things. Procrastination can lead to examination failure. If you procrastinate, you don't study. You say you will do it. You will study. Very soon it will be examination time. And you may not be able to do well in examination because what you are supposed to have learned, you didn't learn them. You see, procrastination can lead to job loss. You say you will do it. Your supervisor said, do this thing before 4 o'clock. You say you will do it, you didn't do it. Then your your supervisor will get angry. Your manager will be angry. When any little thing, then they fire you. They sack you from job. It can lead to a loss of job. Procrastination. It can lead to missing of a flight. If you are traveling, you get ready to travel. You can't say I will do it tomorrow. But tomorrow you are traveling tomorrow. You can get ready tonight. You see? So when you wake up in the morning, that's not the time you begin to put it together. And if you don't do it on time, you get to the airport, they tell you that you missed your flight. You see? There's a time to get ready to travel. Procrastination can lead to unnecessary stress. Unnecessary stress. You see, people are always stressed out because there's too much to do. But if you procrastinate, you make it worse. Because you have too many things that you are supposed to do, you haven't done. Then you carry it forward. To join other things that you're supposed to do later, then it's too much for you. So procrastination can lead to certain things. It doesn't need to be like that. We have wisdom, we have understanding. Ilade. What's your word? Okay, I'm not going to Yahweh. One back with me, one cat at me. Oh, the Ivy? Ah, Ilade, the Ivy. That's your hole, or the Ivy. Oh, you damn it, okay, damn it. You damn it, damn it. Only been on my school. Oh, no man, tea baker, damn it. Oh, my like better. Oh, the shoe damn it. Oh, one day, or Pamang before I whom I get no ya TB or Manti. Then I with me on Mau. Ilade, or say. Look, whatever, a winner, we will. He will have a winner. Whom that Ilade. Or the lade. Oh, no, bargain winner at a manager. Oh, when I will be on a year way, Yawa. Well, and I do bring oh, I know bargain winner, the guy, even I would not carry no my way. And I hate to get away. Yes, the Kayaman, no way, Kayaman, no way, Kayaman. If you buy should not be anywhere, and me a winner. Oh, we are young winner. The even winner. Was there? Yeah, I never want to let the evening. When I will be, you wear the Genakai, again, okay, Yahweh. Oh, my video, yeah, quit on winner near Bahoa. The do, I got me a one. Ilada we see amariba okaho. Ona don yi si okaho yanla. Oba mo egbe yo to, ohun yan wa ko. Ede agbo ya mo gbe to, ede agbe ni ya pa o. E mo gbo wa ogbe lakwa. Ede agbe ye ti jore go ka. Ege do ya se mi koko ege na ya se ogbeleze go kehu ose. Ode de do agwale tazi. Itazi ni ege o aso do. Nigga, my old don't fit as way he was like you on the way. Yeah, again, I'm like, but I'm away. Oh, yeah, Kufia. Okay, so Kufia, I support to you, or Belazo. I will care with one loud partner. Oh, partner. I get no, I may be now, see, would thou, share without. Ilade, overseer, Usi, Nema. Au cinéma. Nous voyons aussi, il y a aussi, non, aussi, il y a aussi, il y a aussi, 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 il a des aussi, et aussi, non, ma keke, a dossier, il y a aussi, non, keke, il a des. Où est-ce qu'il y a? Eh, mais c'est quoi, eh, c'est où? Okay, now with me, I have with me. So about no dear one in my you and a mouth. It's a dog magazine in the mouth. It's you like that. Eba way no. I give my like that you. Again, I mean, ya ma and I say like that yo. It was a wedding, they don't know. Also, no, you cool. Oh, I like that yo. Yeah, I got look over. I give you cool. Now I got look on dinner. Yeah, sure. I'm a woman. Yeah, way. Yeah. Oh, way. Cool. We have a ball on again. I have you cool. Oh, I like the yo. Oh, the quick. You do no one. I mean, the kick we have a do well, quite on Jabu. My man, oye no la velio ide we no ni ku o mega di ko ya mose na ya na avua o na ya dia ona o se ke ni ko ya won do o la de yo bu yan won do ya ya to do ayi bi do o ya o se ke o se pe o do la èyí mìíràn do ayi mi a mu da ege na ya yi bi na ya gbele le ogbera agbo va e mo si koda o e no wa tin o de na da jege ìwé ní yóò board ma rí ó náà díẹ̀ nẹ ìwé ẹ̀dùn náà ẹ̀wìn náà ẹ̀wìn náà wú ẹ̀ máa gún mú ẹ̀gbọ́ Bishop Agawa ministry nípò òbí ọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ àgbà orí ìdánilẹ̀ dó ọ̀rẹ́ Reverend Dr. Ọmọ Amadasu Reverend Dr. Ọmọ Amadasu ó lábàáyé náà kí o ó kùn ọ̀rẹ́ dàyàgbọ̀ wọn kan ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ẹ́nìkì ó gbọ́n yóò tọ̀. No weme ova no onu diere na mai na wo inwina na ari yobo na o ka ben owa ni no ya ba ogana o ka ti ogana o ti e boku we ti e kama wo nwa no da na mai o kama mo no de o do ri ya ri obo wa ni ba ma na mai ba na mai mo make it ma hasayi na ya Miami. If you came in my hood, or you can't hold on fiao, or you do hold on fiao, or you talk hold on mel, or if I hold on lick you, or you can't hold on you. You can't ya my sad no one. Oh, ya women, or could only if the ya women, my do have your neck. Ayane. Near ya drinking, ya with your boy. We are one we would you bona. Put your Ghana, we won't. What am I working one and over here? O Queen at you. It's also Matthew. It's such a Anna do by Anaka, it's also about Ruselu. My Adioba, my government, my politician. It's also you know Salubama winner. Oh, I know Gilbert, you boy, my own Yobona. I know you want, no, you mean Logoma. Wà náà yẹ làwọn pẹ́ yọta wà nà mọ̀ ọ́yẹ kó wọn mà ní tó gidi fìbìlẹ̀kú ìwà náà wà dé bá máa ó yẹ ewé ìbìnà kẹ̀kẹ́ náà o Reverend Ọmọ Amadasu ọ̀kẹ̀wẹ́ o dó wọn wá nùgbó náà ti yóò bọ̀ náà ẹ̀gì èkó mu ẹ̀gẹ̀kíá ìbá gbàlí yóò bọ̀ òsàbọ̀ àrí yóò bọ̀ níwọ̀n náà gbàlí yóò bọ̀ iṣẹ́ Yahweh so you say my most salaba ye na we na o ga la mario ba me ya nwu na dagbon wa ndu salaba ma mu boyi oye nyenyenye iwo petepe agbala na Yahweh don ya salaba awo pe me igoro igo petepe da nwu na wa da nwu na wa ge degbe ma wo e je ki na ru okwa keke la wo menu we gbala ye ma gbala ye la o ri etiri wo gbere ri enwa ri yemi ri igo ri ri fe da Yahweh penu we gbala ye penu Jesu Christi penu Jesu Christi penu Jesu Christi no bi salaba o ya nere na wa bokia o se ya me se wi obokia Chris de verse oki obokia Chris Amadin obokia anyway omo odion omo obokia o sabo ehi obokia o kuyo sabo ehi okay kuyo we kada ya emegbe de ko fun iya no ya ye gbera wa ya fefe du wa ya ma o wa ba o de ma ekin wa do de o ma de mo ma de odo ma de ya ma de ten ya ma ajotu ya me o iya ku ya gbe ade na do to imanedo iya ku ba de ba ma ya o ma mu akugbe oge do wa ye ma e nu na kidan tie kidan gbe ja ye ma ni ma wa na o salugba no o salugba ni o ama e ko lo yi ma bo e ge yi ma bo Isa when Jesus Christ is but we do or baba do or we do man do what you have or get you animal waking up well baba baba